Hi friends, happy Saturday. Just getting my makeup done to go run some errands. So we're gonna start with, I have my foundation on and my highlighter, and now we're gonna get to setting. How's your day going so far? Absolutely love this powder. Apply it with a slightly damp sponge. What I like to do is I put it in the lid of container I have, and I just dab it on. All around the nose. Anybody have anything fun planned for today? Gonna go with my husband this morning to quote building out a barn dominium, which he loves to do. He has a remodeling business and does a really great job. I'm so proud of him. I love watching him work. I love when I get to work with him. It's just a lot of fun. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same thing. I have my brown powder, translucent powder, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set all the areas where my foundation were. First, we started with where the highlighter was. Okay, so next fun trick is take a little sponge to do the highlighting portion for your nose. Make your little line, and then you'll take your bronzer and come in and draw right besides that. Okay, so now we're going to take our bronzer and do contouring for cheeks, chin, and forehead. Want to get it up by your hairline, blend it in real good, and your jawline. Okay, so next we're going to apply our eye. It's also a lip primer. Absolutely love this stuff. It's like my favorite. Goes on really well, really helps to hold your eyeshadow on. Okay, so now for our eye, we're gonna take this Sephora Pro palette and we're gonna do a light layer right here. It's a real soft sweeping motion. Okay, so same Pro palette, we're gonna take a smaller crease brush and go really gently right here with the darker brown, right here in the crease. Okay, and then I'm going to switch it up on you. We're going to use this Naked Urban Decay palette. Oops, it's falling apart. I've had it for forever. We're going to take this plum shade, the second to last, and apply it right here at the lash line. Just blotting it on. Okay, and then take your favorite white or highlighting, slightly shimmer powder and put it up here at the brow to highlight. And in the corner of your eye. Okay, so we're also putting that right here in the corner and under, and then I'll take the same plum and finish outlining my eye right here. Okay, so now I'm going to take my gel eyeliner and a little brush, and I'm going to apply liner right at the lash line and do just a little kick right here. Okay. Okay, so let's start to finish out our look. Love these little guys, my little eyelash shields. If you have any questions about the products I'm using, let me know. Really, absolutely love some of this stuff. Highly recommend it. Okay, so now I'm going to apply some blush to the apples of my cheeks. Sometimes I'll come back and put a light shimmer blush over it. Sometimes I'll just keep it matte. Just depends where I'm going, what my mood is for the day. What do you guys like to do? Okay, because I love bling, sparkle, anything, everything, we're gonna use this Urban Decay highlighter. It's got shimmer in it. A girl can never have too much shimmer, in my opinion. Speaking of highlighter, so I'll come back to my palette right here. I really love this one. Take the highlighter and just put it down the nose to kind of make that line pop a little bit. We are almost done, guys. Okay, last but certainly not least, we're going to apply our lips. Okay guys, so we are done with makeup. Thank you for following along this morning. I'm just going to apply a little Moroccan oil dry shampoo, light tones for my blonde hair, and get this day started. So hope you guys have a beautiful Saturday, and